Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Obinna Osigwe, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Mendeley Reference Manager. Mendeley Reference Manager helps you to simplify your research workflow, and it also helps to accelerate your research. And one good thing about Mendeley is that it is free. Mendeley is a free reference manager that can help you to store, organize, note, share, and cite your references and research data. So Mendeley has a lot of features. One, it helps you to automatically generate your bibliography, that is your references. It also helps you to collaborate easily with other researchers online, and it helps you to easily import papers from other research software and find relevant papers based on what you're reading. And it also helps you to access your papers from anywhere online. In fact, it makes your whole research experience seamless. So it doesn't matter whether you're doing your bachelor's degree or you're doing your master's degree or doing your doctorate degree. Mendeley reference personally, it has helped me a lot. And so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mendeley. So Mendeley is so easy to use. Like I say, it is free. So if you want to create an account with Mendeley, just go to mendeley.com. I think I've already opened one here. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to this place, and you click sign in. You click sign in, and you enter your email address. So once you enter your email address, for instance, you can enter any email address, something like oziomosigwe@yahoo.com, or you can use, sorry, I have a lot of email addresses. And once you click continue, it will take you to this page. Then you fill in all your information, given name, family name, password. The most important thing is your password. So once you create a password, automatically you have an account with Mendeley. It is very easy to use. Mendeley is created by Elsevier. So all this account that you create with Mendeley or Elsevier platform, you can also log in. This is Elsevier. Elsevier is a platform for high impact journals. They have a lot of high impact journals, but we're going to talk about later. So if you're like me that already have an account with Mendeley, for instance, if you type Mendeley here, once you've created your account, you'll be asked to sign in. So this is Mendeley. So you can sign in. So you can see I'm already signing here. This is Obinna Osigwe. So Mendeley helps you. So these are the features of Mendeley. This is where you can search for research articles. For instance, I want to search for maybe research articles on climate change. Research articles on climate change. You click search. Mendeley will give you a whole lot of information. Like here on climate change, there is 704,268 results, and it also shows you the academic papers based on the year. For instance, you can see here 2025 has 3, 2024, okay, because we are still in 2024, it has 137, 227 has 53,420, and it also shows you the type of research. Like this is journal, book section, conference proceeding, generic book. There is more report, thesis. Okay, people's thesis are here. Web page, newspaper articles, journals. From specific journals. That's journals that are indexed on Elsevier, and also it can also show you the authors. The author, and also shows you open access, because the ones that are open access these are research articles that you can access for free. They are open access journals. You can see there are 204, 416. So these are open access journals. Then another feature of Mendeley is your library. So let me create a new tab for this. This is the library section where all your research, your research papers, that is the one you're going to work with when you're writing your article, or maybe you're writing your article, or you're writing your project. For instance, this is a lot of articles that I've added on Mendeley. So by the time I show you how to cite, you can see that it's very easy. So this is Mendeley. This last one is your account. So you can see that to use Mendeley is very easy. Then the next one is Mendeley desktop, so this one I showed you now is the web version of Mendeley. There is also the desktop version of Mendeley. So let me open it. You can see, so these are the articles that I have there on the web version. They are the same thing on the desktop version. So let's try and do a little test. This is Mendeley search, and let me try and add an article, this research, to add it. So once you click on add to library, it adds to your Mendeley automatically. So let me click add to library. If I click add to library, so this one is tackling climate change with machine learning. So automatically this will sync tackling climate change with machine learning. You can see it came out here, and on my desktop version you can see it here, tackling climate change with machine learning. So it's so easy. It's so easy. So Mendeley, this is how Mendeley Reference Manager works. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add citations, citations to your Mendeley Reference Manager. Thank you so much.